Welcome, today I'll show you how to use the Bincho Grill. Place the grill on a stable heat-safe table. Next, fill your charcoal chimney with the Binchotan charcoal of your choice. Set up your charcoal starter burner on a concrete surface away from anything flammable. Leave it on and let it burn until half of the charcoal is lit, about 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the chimney and turn off the gas burner. I usually set it on the top of my egg-style grill for better airflow. Instead of pouring, place the charcoal one by one with tongs for even spacing. Now you want to cover the charcoal evenly so there are no air gaps, which can later cause flare-ups. Oh, and be sure to wear heat gloves. It gets extremely hot over this charcoal. Now you can place the stainless steel bars so they can start heating up. To oil and season the bars, I'm using half a lemon dipped in olive oil since I don't have meat fat. Now before you start, let the charcoal settle for about 20 minutes or so it doesn't burn the meat. The grill is now ready. Let's start grilling some yakitori. That's it, simple grilling, great food and good company. Oh, and remember, it's not just about the grill, it's about sharing great food with the people around you.